Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of discovering Stray Kids, and bro, I'm enjoying this series so much. Double Knot, dude, that song got me effed up. Honestly, I'm gonna have that song on repeat, and I think I'm gonna have a headache from headbanging so much from that song. But we are gonna be continuing the series. I did look at the playlist really quickly, and I noticed that some of them are Japanese tracks on this title track playlist, so I probably won't be including that in this title track watch through portion that I'm doing. I'll probably separate the Japanese tracks in their own video. So for this video, we are only going to have 3 songs, and it's going to be God's Menu, Backdoor, as well as Thunderous. So those 3 are going to be the one for this video. And of course, the next one will be the latest 3 title tracks. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Now, I did want to preface that God's Menu, I have heard the do. Okay, I've heard the do because that portion like went viral in 2020, but I have not seen the MV or listened to the whole song in its entirety. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm really hyped because like this song I think is what made them blow up as a group. I'm pretty sure like God's Menu is what propelled them to their success and popularity today. So let's just go ahead and get started and listen to Stray Kids' God's Menu. Oh, am I ready? I'm never ready. Yeah. Oh! His eyes! Oh my god, wait! Oh, they're cooking. Let them cook, bro. The budget for this MV is like times 100 of the previous one I just watched. Hello? What just happened? Can we rewind? I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry if you don't like me rewinding every time we watch an MV. I apologize, but I must do it. Okay. Look at the mess in the back. Felix? Oh. Who's singing? Oh, he's hitting different this MV. Oh, he's hitting different too this MV. Oh, here we go. Wait, the way he... Oh, that transition is crazy. Bang Chan, but... Yo, Bang Chan is... My boy been lifting. Nah, excuse you, sir. Nah. Why? Why are you built like that? You are so good, dude. Oh, that's a sick transition. Oh my god. Oh sh. Holy shit. Oh, there's more? Ah. So it's a continuation. I see. Yo, God's menu. Okay, the do do do. You know how like that went popular? I don't know why I didn't go ahead and just listen to the song right then and there. Like I would have discovered Stray Kids sooner and listened to all these amazing songs in 2020, but I didn't. Come on, bro. What is wrong with me? It's fine though. We're here now and we're getting to hear all these amazing songs. Dude, God's Menu, I understand why this is the song. And the MV, like the MV too, like the quality, the budget. I think they use like the arm camera thing where it would just like track the movements, I think, of the people in the MV. Now, I don't know much about filmmaking or anything, but that I know about. Like it has like a telegraphed way it's gonna turn or position the camera, so it's gonna look like that every time. It's gonna get the perfect shot. That's the only way they probably got those transitions to be so smooth. What the heck, dude? God's Menu, like Felix's part, every single part that Felix had here is deserving of going viral. Like when you watch it in the MV, it just hits you. Like this man is blessed. This man is one of God's favorites for real. Like how does he look like that? And then his voice is just that powerful and so impactful as well. Like it's not fair, man. Felix and Bang Chan in this MV just by-struck me so hard. Chan looks so good. His vocals are so clean here. Sungmin too. Like Sungmin, bro. And then Ian, like he's been going to the gym. That dude's been doing bicep curls. So you see him, bro, like the whole group got to showcase all their talents in this MV. And I'm happy that this is the song that, you know, propelled them to the heights that they're achieving right now. It's crazy. Like this group, it just, oh my god. Let's move on to the next song. All right, so this next MV is going to be Backdoor. It is the continuation from God's Menu. Lena, what you up to? Chills. His hair? Oh, his hair. His hair. His hair. Isn't that? That's from JYP's Japanese group, no? Oh, Sungmin hits different. Oh, that's sick. Look at the choreo. Oh, that was sick. Okay. Oh, wait, isn't that a painting? This one? No? This. That's a painting. Which one was it? I don't know. Right? Oh, I love when they do that choreo in K-pop. All right. Okay. Okay. Look at how many people there are. There's no way there's that many, right? Real? Oh my god, look how grand this looks.
Hey, you wanna come in?
Where'd he go? That was sick. Guys, the MV quality from God's Menu into this is crazy. Like, the budget is so insane. Backdoor is crazy. Like, Hyunjin's hair, like the styling in this MV in particular really popped out to me. And then Felix, I feel like Felix has been popping the F off in God's Menu as well as in Backdoor too. Like his power, right? Feel his power. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the last song that we're gonna listen to in this video, and it's gonna be Thunderous. Wait, that's sick. Ah. No, Changbin into On is crazy. Into Wait, this one is building up. Bang Chan? My god, it's freaking. Oh my god. Let's go, Lino. Okay, Lino. Nah, because why did Changbin go in like that? Hold up.
이거 저거 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 마라 Why you mad, why you sad, why you tick 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 I don't ban 중 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 양증 발끝 조찬도 따라오지 못한 여기는 팬들 들어봐
Nah.
Why you sad, why you tick 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 I don't ban 중 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 양증 발끝 조찬도 따라오지 못한 여기는 팬들 들어봐 질투가 전부 한쪽으로 지워놓고 버려
Oh, that was sick. I'll kick some, man. Bang Chan, man, where's your shirt, bro? Come on, buddy. Did they just make their elbows laugh? That's sick. Get it, let's go. Oh, sh.
Sorry, I'm dirty. Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules.
It's over? Nah. I enjoyed that song so much. Oh man, I'm so excited to listen to the B-sides already. Alright guys, and that was Thunderous, and from these videos, these three videos in particular, I feel like they are such epic sounding songs. Like they're so grand sounding, grandiose, I don't know if that's the word, but it sounds very grand. I should read the lyrics. I feel like they're flexing on everybody, as they should, you know, but like, yeah, these songs are just sounding so epic, and I just noticed the choreo. I think the choreo really stood out to me in all these three videos. How the choreo is so creative, really does a good job matching the energy of the songs themselves, even through the imagery that they do with some of the moves in the choreo. I'm not really knowledgeable with choreography, guys. I'm just talking out of my knowledge from watching K-pop for all these years, but I noticed their choreo got so much better within the span of like, how many years was that, like 2 years, a year. Their rapping, I don't know how the heck that was gonna get better, but it did. And then their vocals, bro, Sungmin and IN, these guys have such great vocals. Like everybody in this group just upgraded, I feel like times like 100, and it's so insane to see that. I said it in the last video, but like I feel like these boys are the top. The success that Stray Kids has been getting lately is well deserved. I really do want to check out the performance or dance practice videos for all the title tracks, because I feel like their choreo is insane. So I'm gonna go check that out as well. I'll add that to my list. If you guys have suggestions of performance videos or choreo or dance practices that I should definitely watch, let me know. But I will try to get through all of them. Stray Kids has a lot of videos. I looked through their channel yesterday, like scroll down everything, and there's a lot of content. Somebody said in the first video that this fandom is spoiled, and I can see that from seeing all those videos uploaded. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I'll go ahead and check out the next songs now, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys again for watching. See you later.